CIBC Bank USA is an international financial institution with a wide range of services, including personal and business banking. Founded in Canada, its U.S. arm focuses on providing robust banking solutions for both individuals and businesses. The bank offers checking, savings, and loan products, as well as credit cards and investment services. One of the main features of CIBC Bank USA is its extensive network, providing customers access to ATMs and online banking services. Let's start with an overview of their fees. CIBC Bank USA charges a monthly maintenance fee on certain checking accounts, which can be waived depending on account balance or activity. However, if you don't meet the required criteria, the fee can range from $12 to $35. Savings accounts come with minimal fees, but may incur charges for excessive withdrawals. This is important to note, especially if you plan to make frequent transfers. When it comes to ATM access, CIBC Bank USA offers free access to its own ATMs. But if you use out-of-network ATMs, you will face additional fees, which can be around $2 to $3 per transaction. Another factor to consider is their interest rates on savings accounts, which are typically lower than the national average. For those looking to earn interest, it's important to shop around, as many other banks offer more competitive rates. In terms of customer service, CIBC Bank USA provides 24/7 online and phone support, which is a huge plus for users who need assistance at any time. However, some customers have reported long wait times during peak hours. The bank's mobile app and online banking system are user-friendly, offering basic features like bill pay, mobile check deposits, and account transfers. If you're looking for a credit card, CIBC Bank USA offers a range of options, but its rewards programs may not be as competitive as other major banks. Their credit card APRs can be high for individuals with less than perfect credit, so be cautious when considering a new card. Additionally, the loan products they offer, such as personal loans and mortgages, come with competitive rates, though it's worth checking to see if you qualify for the best available terms. One of the main advantages of CIBC Bank USA is its global reach. As a subsidiary of Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, you could access banking services in both Canada and the US. This can be a big advantage if you travel or do business internationally. However, it's important to keep in mind that some of the bank's fees are higher than average compared to other US banks. In conclusion, CIBC Bank USA has its pros and cons. While it offers a wide range of services and has solid customer support, the fees and lower than average interest rates may be drawbacks for some customers. If you prioritize customer service and international banking access, CIBC could be a good fit. However, if you're focused on saving money or earning higher interest, you might want to consider other options. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews.